Namaste to all, welcome to Lively Homestyle. As we enter this new year, the transition becomes a canvas for fresh beginnings. With clear goals, a positive mindset, effective time management, good health, and a commitment to growth, you are well equipped to paint the journey ahead. I haven't set any resolutions, but I am embracing the mindset of continuous improvement and growth for the upcoming year. I have made a conscious decision to approach things more mindfully, whether it is reading, cooking, or organizing. It's about bringing a sense of presence and awareness to each task, finding calm in the simple moments. For now, let's get to some cooking. Today I'm preparing Bangalore special Chicken Donne biryani, for which let's prepare the garam masala powder first. I use this garam masala powder for not only this biryani but also for some non-veg dishes. Dry roast all the spices on low flame. When the spices are warm and a nice aroma starts to fill in, turn off the flame and transfer to a plate. Keeping the spices in the same pan after turning it off can result in them burning. Once it cools down, grind to a fine powder. Firstly, let's marinate the chicken. So I need to make ginger garlic paste which got over. So let's make a fresh batch. I usually keep bigger garlic pots for tadka and the smaller ones for making paste. I take 70% garlic and 30% ginger and make small batches so I can finish it off soon and make a fresh one again. Now to the cleaned chicken, add curd, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, salt and mix well. Set this aside. Let's soak the rice as well. This is jirga sambar rice. You can use kolam rice also. For the green masala paste, grind coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chili, ginger, garlic and grind to a smooth paste with little water. Now in a pressure cooker, take 3 tablespoons of ghee or oil, add whole spices, sliced onion and sauté till it turns golden. When it's golden brown, add tomatoes and mix. When the tomatoes are cooked, add the green masala paste. Sauté till the raw smell goes off and ghee oozes out. Now add the marinated chicken and mix. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the prepared garam masala powder. Add hot water. I have taken for 1 cup of rice 1.5 cups of water plus half cup extra. When it starts boiling, add soaked and drained rice, salt as per taste and give a quick mix. Now cover and cook for 1 to 2 whistles. When the pressure releases completely, open the cooker. Rice and chicken is cooked perfectly. The aroma of biryani has filled the entire house. Serve it with raita. Now I'm making tiny laddus of peanut and jaggery. The procedure is same as chikki, just that I have taken jaggery quantity very less here. For 2 cups of peanuts, I have taken half to 3/4 cup of jaggery. Dry roast the peanuts and remove the skin. In a pan, melt jaggery and let it boil on low flame. Add a teaspoon of ghee and mix it. When the syrup looks like this, try testing it in a bowl of water. Drop the syrup in water. If it turns hard immediately and easily breaks without getting stringy or chewy, means it's done. Now immediately turn off the flame and add peanuts. Mix well. Now transfer on a greased plate. When it is warm itself, take small portions and make tiny laddus like this. When it cools down completely, store it in an airtight container. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos in the future.